Well, we start with news from the High Court, which has nullified the police recruitment done on July 14th, crushing dreams of 10,000 recruits. High Court Judge Isaac Lenaola said the National Police Service Commission failed itself, failed Kenyans, failed the recruits, and failed the Constitution, and it must be told. Wafula kicks off this bulletin with that story.
It was a packed courtroom, one that attracted hopeful men and women who had previously set their eyes and dreams on joining the police service. And silently,
I went through the letter to Michelle and Jeremy.
They listened to every word as Justice Isaac Lenaola delivered his ruling over this year's recruitment drive. The exercise had been marred by corruption allegations and questions over its legality, as the commission had entrusted sub-county committees to take charge of the process in the counties.
An order is issued that the exercise carried out on 14th July was inconsistent with the Constitution in terms of Articles 10, 27, 73, 232, 244, and is thus illegal, null, and void ab initio. I shall also call for those proceedings and quash the exercise carried out on that day, and similarly, the outcome of that recruitment is hereby quashed.
Lenaola further compelled the National Police Service Commission not to issue any appointment letter to persons recruited during the exercise.
An order of mandamus is issued to compel the respondents to repeat the exercise in tandem with the provision of the Constitution and the National Police Service Commission Act. All the other prayers in the petitions and judicial review applications are denied, either because they were taken by events or they are not properly canvassed.
In what it described as its biggest recruitment drive, the National Police Service was then targeting 10,000 candidates to be trained as police constables. But even before the exercise was complete, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority demanded that the Commission should repeat the exercise because of the massive complaints received countrywide. In its defense then, the Commission cited lack of adequate funds to repeat the recruitment and set up a task force to investigate the claims.
The Commission will not immediately nullify before it gets proper, complete, and conclusive information to assist it in carrying out that process.
For now, the National Police Service Commission will have to dig in deeper into its pockets to conduct the nationwide recruitment process afresh. Wafula, KTN.